Alright, well, hope you guys are ready to see pinball in action. I want to show you what a pinball machine would look like after it has the Extreme Kit installed inside of it. And so this is it. Actually, unfortunately, you can't see that much or feel that much, but it's all in here. So anyway, you can kind of see how get an idea for how the lighted buttons are. So like coin buttons lit up, the scientific coins in there. Of course, I got 8 credits. If you look down, you can see the start button is flashing because I can push it because I got credits in there, and the RGB lighted up. I hit that then. And now my shot's ready to go. You can kind of see the RGB fire is on for me to hit that guy, and if I hit him. Oh, and one thing you want to see is the flashers. So I have flashers on this, and the flashers plug right into the back of the light bar. So if you already have a light bar, you can add these flashers on real easily. I'm gonna go ahead and try and hit them. Flashes are really bright. It's pretty cool. Even the RGBs are bright. I toned mine down a little bit so they're not like getting in the way. So whenever you hit R2D2, the shaker motor goes off. It's a really cool effect. Hopefully I'll get those flashes to go off again. Yeah, so they strobe like that. It's like a really bright strobe. All the solenoids are going off. I also have SSF in this, which is something I don't sell yet, but I might soon. So now you go down the hatch. So that's pretty much it. You can see the light bar it's a nice thing to have. It kind of adds a little bit of pizzazz to the whole thing. Again, the shaker motor's going off. Oh, yeah. Strobes are really pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out because they're so bright. Really, you see them off. It grabs your attention off the corner of your eye. They're meant to be. They're meant to be pretty bright. Oh, I always die after this. Let's see. Oh no, I survived it. Got them all. Alright, well, I don't want to play the game forever here, but thought I'd give you a good idea of, how the whole thing feels and looks, and the end result is pretty nice. Oh, that's what I told you. I always die there. That was a good demo. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.